Good morning, students. All of you fine. So today let's start the topic that is going on, narration. And you have been taught 4 types of sentences that you can change into indirect. Sentence, assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. So it is start today. Optative sentence, and it is the last sentence. After that, some necessary rules you will be taught. That assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory, 4 types of sentences you have learned how to change into indirect speech. So today let's start the topic that is optative sentence. First of all, anybody asks you what is optative sentence? What is the definition of optative sentence? Then optative sentence are those sentences. Optative sentences are those sentences in which you find the sense of wish, curse, pray and blessed. Listen once again. Those sentences are optative sentence in which you find the sense of curse, pray, blessed and wish. Okay. So mostly it was noticed that the optative sentence starts with the word may. Optative sentence, this is the structure of, this is the form of direct speech. Okay? And optative sentence mostly start with the word may and the mark of exclamation is kept at the ending point of the sentence. Clear? This is the identification of optative sentence. Mostly the sentence starts with may. Clear? Then while changing into indirect speech, here is the subject of reporting speech, here is object and this is reporting. This reporting one is given you set or set. This set or set will be changed into according to the sense of reported speech. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की सेंस के अकॉर्डिंग आप सेड और सेड टू को चेंज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? इफ you are given the sense of wish, then सेड और सेड टू each change into wish if you are given the sense of wish. Pray to pray to God. Bless for blessing, and curse. Said or said to is changed into wish, pray, blessed, and cursed. Okay. In place of inverted commas, in place of inverted commas, we put that and then subject of reported speech. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में सब्जेक्ट रखेंगे जो यहां पर होगा, एंड चेंजिंग में इनटू माइंड, इनटू माइंड, मे को माइंड में बदलते हुए वी कन्वर्ट द सेंटेंस इनटू indirect. We convert the sentence into indirect. Okay? So, with the help of these rules, we change the sentence. For example में आपको कहा गया, my friend said to me, comma, inverted commas begins, may you stand first in board examination. Mark of exclamation, inverted commas used. My friend said to me, may you stand first in board examination. मेरे मित्र ने, मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझसे कहा, may you stand first in board examination, कि आप बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर स्टैंड करें। तो मेरा मित्र, माय फ्रेंड, मुझे ब्लेस, आशीर्वाद तो नहीं दे सकता, तो वो मुझे क्या कर रहा है, मेरे लिए विश कर रहा है, मुझे शुभकामनाएं दे रहा है। क्लियर? माय फ्रेंड said to would be changed into wish, me in place of inverted commas that, आपने यहां पर that को रखा है, and then subject. सब्जेक्ट कौन है? you. You, second person. Change according to the object of reporting speech, that is me. Me को चेंज करेंगे तो I हो जाएगा, because you is given in subject case. May should be changed into might because reporting work is in past tense. Said or said to is in past tense. So here rule number 2 is applied. If reporting work is in past tense, then reported speech will be in past. Okay? Might stand first in board examination. Okay, so this is the roles of changing optative sentence into indirect speech. See some examples now. The son said to the victim, may you die. The victim, comma, inverted commas begins, may you. The son said to the victim, किसी साधु ने दुष्ट व्यक्ति से कहा, मे डाई, आप मर जाओ। तो साधु जी ने क्या किया है? श्राप दिया है, श्राप, कर्स। ओके, the son said to would be changed into curse. The wicked man. In place of inverted commas, that use second person. According to the man, he. May is changed into might. क्लियर? आर यू गेटिंग? मेरी बात आपकी समझ में आ रही है? सो वी सेड, देखिए एग्जाम्पल, वी सेड comma inverted commas means may God save the president. Mark of exclamation inverted commas. हमने कहा may God save the president, तो यहां पर गॉड वर्ड आपको शो किया गया है, दिया गया है, तो क्या करेंगे? आपने भगवान से प्रे किया, वी प्रे दैट, वी प्रे, हमने ये प्रार्थना की है, दैट की सब्जेक्ट कौन है? गॉड। क्लियर? माइट, मे को माइट में सेव द प्रेसिडेंट। तो ये हो गया गॉड माइट सेव द प्रेसिडेंट. सो दिस वाज अबाउट ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस, and you watched through this video how to change an optative sentence into indirect form of speech. So here is the end of the topic narration. Okay, sometimes some necessary rules also is shown here. Sometimes you are given an important speech. What? Good morning. Good night. Goodbye. Okay? And sir, madam. You are given this type of sentence. So, reporting verb said or said to is changed into visible. Clear? In case of good morning, if you are given good morning, then said or said to would be changed into visit, and baked in case of good night and goodbye. Goodbye और गुड नाइट के केस में आप सैड और सैड को बेड में चलेंगे. ठीक है? सर एंड मैडम would be changed into respectfully. Example. The students said to the teacher, comma, inverted commas begins good morning sir, comma लगा full stop. The student said to the teacher, good morning sir. The students गुड मॉर्निंग का सैड और सैड को विश द टीचर गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके, और सर would be changed into respectfully. And you can also write or the students said to the teacher, respectfully, good morning. Okay. Okay, students, it's clear. Then see around. Sometimes you are given reported speech word thank you, by God, or by heaven, beware or so. These type of words you are given in reported speech, thank you, by God or by heaven. These words are used for swearing, कसम खाने के लिए by God या by heaven को यूज किया जाता है. Beware is a word that warning us. For warning, we use beware and sorry. These type of words you are given in reported speech. So how do you change the sentence into indirect speech? Said or said to. Would we change said or said to? Would we change respectively? Into thank, swore, one, and felt sorry. And the words thank you, by God, is removed. इनको आप रिमूव करें. Example. The student said to the teacher, thank you, madam. How to change it? Look at the blackboard. The student said to would be changed into thank the teacher. थैंक यू को रिमूव कर दिया गया और मैडम इज गिवन सो इट वुड बी चेंज इनटू रेस्पेक्टफुली. Okay, it's clear. So it was a optative sentence. Okay, students, it is over. Now the narration is completed, and I hope all of you would be learned with these videos. And tomorrow is 26th January, means Republic Day, and all of you, the students of 8th class, wish you a very happy Republic Day. Okay, thank you. Be safe and take care. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.